to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely amazing day. I do want to go ahead and say please forgive my lack of makeup. I just threw in a little bit of eyeliner, lipstick, and some blush. I'm actually not feeling the best. I think I'm coming down with a cold and my rheumatoid arthritis is acting up. I just really don't feel that great. But I had 2 boxes come in today, so I wanted to go ahead and make the 2 videos for you guys. So I'm really excited, as you could see from the title. The first box that we're doing is the October BoxyCharm. I am so excited. I have seen a couple other people unbox theirs and it looks really great. I know there are, I guess, a couple variations, but not really that many. So I can't wait to see what is in here. So we are gonna go ahead and open it up. And for those of you that do not know, BoxyCharm is $21 a month and you are to receive anywhere from 4 to 6 full-size items. I will put a link down below for you guys so that if you would like to purchase, you can. All right. So and as always, this is what it looks like when we open it with the card. And I'm not gonna peek at what's inside, but the theme for this month is Alter Ego, which is appropriate for Halloween or October because of Halloween. And let's see if I can find, I got variation 6. So there must have been a lot of variations. So let's see. This is what it looks like. And right off the bat, I don't know, y'all. All right, we're just gonna get into it. This very first item that is crushed, South Main, it says 3 eye gel packs. Reduces puffiness, reduces dark circles, moisturizes eye area. Cool, fresh, and revitalize your under eyes with your new South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. Watch as the freshness of your skin is restored with no hassle. And this is $10. But okay, I haven't seen this product in any of. Sorry about that, y'all. Something happened with my camera. So anyway, I was showing you the South Main 3 eye gel packs. And what I want to make sure. Okay, so there are 2 in each one. You can see there's one here and one here. It just, the wording was kind of odd. Not that happy about this, I'll be honest. We just received, I think in July, the Wander Beauty gold under eye masks. So I'm not too pleased with this, but we're gonna move along. It's like all my stuff got smushed. I don't know what happened. This is the It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. Wrap your lashes in lengthening, volume boosting, and ultra conditioning formula. The elastic stretch technology and the ultra black tint make for the thickest and most defined lashes ever. And this is $24. I have heard great things, and it is in the color Super Black. I've heard great things. I am very happy for this. I think the packaging is cute. It's like tapers. Let's see about the wand. Oh, okay. So, yeah, I am very happy with. The next item is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick. This says enjoy a smooth, creamy, lightweight liquid lipstick that stays on all day long. The highly pigmented, vegan and cruelty-free formula coats your lips in just one swipe, delivering the color you want and need. It's infused with vitamin E and sunflower seed oil, giving your lips the moisturizing comfort they deserve. And this is $20. I hope this is not the color, y'all, but I'm pretty sure it is. First of all, okay, let's see if you can, it says crucifix. I don't know that it's picking up really, but it looks like, and see, it's like, like all my stuff is like crushed. Okay, well, I don't even need to swatch this. I will not wear this lip color. I mean, I think the packaging is super cute. However, this is a very, very dark, like chocolate brown, and even with fall, I am not going to wear this. So, not very happy about that. This box is not the best. BoxyCharm, I don't know what's going on. It's very, very unusual. And here we have what looks to be like a travel size. And we're supposed to get full-size products, but I digress. The Briogeo Don't Despair Repair, Strength, and Moisture Leave-In Mask. This super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner provides repair benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro-encapsulated argan oil and optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin helps to promote healthier hair that will leave you feeling your very best. And it says this is $16. I'm wondering if it's $16 for full size, because this is 2 ounces, and I would find, I don't know, about $16 for 2 ounces. I mean, it smells okay. It's a very light scent, and then obviously it is a spray. I just pulled it up to smell it. Okay, but not the best. And the final item is the Pure Cosmetics Midnight Masquerade Palette. This 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. Making a bold statement has never been easier with 4 shimmery face powders and 6 buttery eyeshadows that complement all skin tones and eye colors. And the retail value is $38 for this palette. So, the box is taped. here is the actual palette out of the box. Okay, looks like some of mine have broken up a little bit. I see some stuff. I really don't know, you guys, with BoxyCharm this month. This is so unusual. These colors are gorgeous. Looks like this would be the face powder side. Looks like a bronzer, highlighter, and 2 blush shades. But if you see, it's like chunks of stuff everywhere under this plastic. And then over here on this side, we do have a small little mirror and the 6 eyeshadow shades, which are very pretty. But again, there's stuff all on it. So I'm not gonna open this and swatch it. I do like that the 5 of the 6 eyeshadows are shimmery. There's like a blue, a black, a purple, a greenish, a silver, and then a matte brown. And the colors are Exposed, Sneak Peek, Showtime, Mask Off, Disguise, 12 a.m., Twilight, Enchantment, Hidden Secret, and Reveal for this one. And these two right here, I mean, this I definitely see as a blush. This might be a little too much for a blush for me, but it would make a beautiful eyeshadow, as would this. I mean, I think honestly, all of these could be used as eyeshadows. And then you have these that you could use for highlight, contour, brush, bronzer, and blush. Sorry, I told you guys I'm not feeling great. So that is BoxyCharm for October 2018. So we got the palette, the It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara, the Brown Kat Von D Liquid Lip, the Briogeo Leave-In, and some eye masks. Yeah, like I said, I'm really not, I'm really not impressed this month. Not only with, a travel size, and we just got eye masks, but everything was kind of crushed. This appears to have some issues going on. I don't know, maybe it's just because I don't feel good, but I'm not happy with BoxyCharm this month, I'll be honest. And like I said, that's so unusual. I'm very disappointed. BoxyCharm usually, like I said, blows me out of the water with the amazing products and the value, because it is $21 a month and you are guaranteed over $100 in value, and usually it is over that, well over that, and the products are absolutely amazing. So to have received it for multiple months and have, just been amazed, and then have this come and be not amazed, not even close, is actually very disappointing. So hopefully November will be better. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys got. I'm pretty sure, yes, that there were variations on the shade of the Kat Von D lip. Let me know what you got. If you got these, because like I said, I've seen other videos and I have not seen these at all. I was really looking forward to, it was like this lace mask thing, and there was a cleanser by Pharmacy. So I'm kind of like, where did this stuff come from? I don't even know. But anyway, I'm rambling. Like I said, I'm just a little frustrated. I don't feel well, so I'm going to hop off. I hope you guys have a fabulous day. I was gonna ask you to go ahead and hit subscribe, but you may, with this video, may not want to, I would understand. I usually am not so critical, but this box, like I said, just compared to all the other months I've received it, is a huge disappointment in my opinion. So anyway, I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Like I said, if you have not subscribed, please do. And don't forget, we do have the little mini giveaway going on that does end on October 21st. I will put a link down below for that. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you with the next video.